Hey there, cruisers. Welcome back to Susan's Cruise Tips. If you're a health and fitness enthusiast, especially if you're 55 and older, you're going to love what we have in store today. Fitness on Virgin Voyages. From state-of-the-art gyms to exhilarating group classes, from mild to challenging workouts, Virgin Voyages has everything to keep you active and entertained. And the best part? It's included at no extra cost. Let's jump right in. Virgin Voyages offers a variety of fitness options to keep you in shape and having fun. State-of-the-art gym, the B Complex Gym, has the latest equipment, treadmills with ocean views, sleek weight machines, and everything for a full body workout. Group fitness classes. Shake things up with a bungee fitness, high energy spin classes, or calming yoga sessions. Designed for all fitness levels, these classes are a great way to stay active. Outdoor fitness activities. Enjoy sunrise yoga on the deck, jogging tracks with ocean views, and fitness boot camps. Exercising with the sea breeze and sunrise is pure bliss. The Athletic Club, featuring a boxing ring, strength training zone, and adult-sized swings. It's a fun way to mix up your routine. Pools and swim workouts. Dive into the pool for a refreshing swim or join an aqua aerobics class. Perfect low-impact workouts that are easy on the joints. After your workouts, treat yourself to relaxation at the Redemption Spa. Enjoy the thermal suite with a sauna, steam room, and salt room, or indulge in a soothing massage. The hydrotherapy pool is perfect for easing sore muscles. Unwind in a serene environment and feel completely rejuvenated. Note, there may be an additional charge for the spa. After a day full of fitness and fun, refuel with a delicious dinner at one of Virgin Voyages' specialty dining restaurants. All these dining options are included in your fare. From gourmet cuisine to casual bites, there's something for every palate. Remember to make your reservation when you board to enjoy your favorite. Staying fit and fabulous on a Virgin Voyages cruise is an adventure you don't want to miss. With top-notch fitness facilities, luxurious dining experiences, and the Redemption Spa, you can maintain your health and wellness while exploring the world. Get your workout friends together and get special group rates. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with fellow fitness enthusiasts. See you on the next episode of Susan's Travel Tips, where we make every voyage unforgettable.